Hello and welcome to T-Systems' first digital live session event of Accelerate Digital Now. Right after Hannover Messe, that was supposed to start today, was cancelled. Our intention is to create a new digital experience and to discuss with clients, partners and the press how companies can be more resilient during these difficult times and prepare to restart their businesses right after the crisis.
One of the things we've seen is this really dramatic increase in agility. So I believe that the digital agenda of the companies is going to be adjusted. There are naturally three phases. How do I secure current operations? Second is around adjusting to the new reality. And the third phase is what we call Accelerate Digital Now, which is the title of our event. Well, Pat, good morning. With this crisis, how do you see it?
How do I drive digital transformation more rapidly as a result? So we're unquestionably seeing that momentum. We're seeing that in governments, in healthcare, financial institutions, supply chain, manufacturing. We're literally across the collection of our customers get to the future faster. And that social change as well, combined with the will and the economics of the businesses, enables a great opportunity that I just keep telling our people, never waste a good crisis.
Actually, there'll be an acceleration in different prioritization, if you will, for these different initiatives, but they don't go away. But we need to accept that the businesses need some time to recover, right? So as they go through phase one of securing your operations, they need to be implementing the new way of working. They have to figure out, how do I make sure that in the future I have this different cloud infrastructures that I can leverage? And we are today actually announcing our IoT solution builder. I'm a big believer of artificial intelligence is going to be, continues to be a major play, even in the Corona crisis. Well, actually last week we announced the Magenta Security Shield. Security is always going to be top of the agenda.
From design to production to performance and back. Our digital twin supports the global healthcare technology provider Eyewear Medical to significantly reduce the development times of their respiratory products.
The lever for digitalization in this world is just massive. And what we need there is sensors, is actors, and we need multi-millions of them. And we need to feed them in real time back. We have to be able to feed the measurement back into action. For us, this is one of the big projects and the big levers we see in our world, in the world of chemistry.
We just launched a joint prototype of private-only 5G campus network, actually integrating T-Systems' autonomous logistic use case through our dedicated network and by utilizing Deutsche Telekom 5G spectrum. I think that's a great use case.
We do transform this company into a software-driven company. Let that be in the vehicle, with features such as autonomous driving, such as connectivity, such as shared mobility services, but obviously also in the enterprise.
I look at the situations as an exceptional opportunity, right? No question about it, it will be difficult times for us, but these kind of situations allow disruptors to be available. They challenge the old norms. They accelerate what we could do. They teach us new way of doing things. And that's what we need to take advantage of.
This live show is going to be uploaded as a demand show on the platform too. Feel free to have a look at the other on-demand sessions.